Welcome back. Today we're going to discuss a premium SUV that's ready to take the next year by storm, the 2026 Lexus NX. With an even bolder design, smarter technology, and signature Lexus comfort that never disappoints, this car isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement of style and future innovation. Let's take a closer look at the strengths that make the 2026 Lexus NX a contender in its class. This car showcases a much more futuristic design evolution than the previous generation, presenting an aggressive design language while maintaining Lexus's signature premium aura. The front is dominated by a large spindle grille with a thicker and sharper hexagonal mesh pattern, surrounded by an L-shaped signature LED light bar accentuated by light lines that seem to cut through the air. The LED matrix headlights are thin, precise, and modern, creating a sharp, confident face, clearly signaling Lexus's future design direction. On the sides, the body's curves appear flowing yet muscular, emphasizing its dynamic SUV identity. Thick, sporty wheel arches, combined with large angular rims, convey a sense of strength and high performance. The overall proportions of the car appear lower and wider, creating a stable, premium, yet sporty stance. This car features the latest Lexus technologies, including the latest generation Lexus safety system, plus semi-autonomous driving, 360-degree sensors, lane tracing assist, and more responsive adaptive cruise control. Premium comfort features such as multicolor ambient lighting, a panoramic view monitor, ventilated seats, and a high-performance Mark Levinson audio system complement the character of a modern luxury SUV. In terms of performance, the 2026 Lexus NX comes with a choice of the latest generation hybrid engine or even a plug-in hybrid PHEV variant, offering greater power, improved thermal efficiency, and more spontaneous acceleration. The use of a more powerful electric motor enables instant, quiet, and smooth throttle response, a hallmark of Lexus electrified models. Handling is also more stable thanks to the adaptive suspension system and a platform designed for high rigidity, providing a confident driving experience in various road conditions. The 2026 Lexus NX embodies how modern luxury meets future technology. Its bold design, advanced features that pamper and protect, and increasingly efficient electrification performance make this SUV more than just a vehicle, but a driving experience designed for a new era. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.